Welcome to the Weekly, brought to you by Building, Design, and Construction. This is your spot each Thursday to keep up with the trends and innovations we're seeing in our marketplace. So now we're into September. That means the end of summer and the beginning of fall. I know on the East Coast, it's like, we kind of despise that, especially Labor Day. But something else happens in September. I think people start focusing on business a little bit more, if that's even possible during COVID times. So today we're going to bring you 3 business stories. In our first story, we answer the age-old question, can you marry organizational systems with physical design for K-12 schools? Taryn Kinney takes us on that journey. She has an acronym. It's called BOLD. What does BOLD mean?
So BOLD is an acronym. It stands for Bridging Organization, Learning, and Design. And it is intentionally interdisciplinary. That's the bridging piece of it. And it acknowledges that in order to really make change, you really have to have your organizational systems and structures align with the learning that you want to see. And then the physical design of spaces also has to align with the learning that you want to see in order to support that change and really have the outcomes that we want for all learners.
In our middle segment today, we discover a new job function. It's called Chief Impact Officer. Part research, part innovation, part communication, and part design. The goal, it's an ambitious one, to plot the future need of clients and occupants.
70 to 90% of the eventual impact of a project is determined by the very earliest design decisions. How big it is, where it's located, shape, size, massing, fenestration, etc. Those are design questions. So there's this perception that higher performance has to mean higher cost. And I believe it's because we design things the way we always have, and then we rely on more expensive systems and materials methods to bring better performance. So we have to spend more money on those systems, on smart systems, to make up for dumb design, right? So how do we start from the beginning and think that every decision we make as designers is going to help improve the impact?
We finish up today looking at a construction forecast. How does the rest of 2020 look? What about 2021? And even further down the road, 2022. We love these metrics. I don't know why we can never get enough of them.
So whether that's something like a digital collaboration tool where everything's cloud-based and you have your plans and your drawings and your meetings and all that, right? And you can go to a site and you have it all on your phone or your iPad. Even something as simple as that. There's no way you can really work without that now. And so what we've seen is that adoption's gone up for both those types of technologies and then also a little more forward-thinking ones like 3D scanning or whether it's going out with like an automated tracking system or even sort of a contract tracing job site tracking, those types of tools. We've seen adoption go up for all of those. And then what the important thing to note is here is that that won't fall back down after the pandemic's gone. It's not like we'll move past the pandemic and have a vaccine and go back to life as we knew it, and firms are going to cancel that, right? It's going to be part of their system. It's going to be already integrated, and they're going to see the efficiencies of it, and so that adoption will stay, and then we'll even snowball from there.
That completes our 3 segments for today. You can watch the full episodes on Horizon TV or on YouTube, and they're always streaming on demand. So there's no chance you can miss anything. As always, we welcome your suggestions and comments, and anything you'd like to see, we'd like to do. So enjoy your week. Enjoy the last few weeks of summer. Please, please be safe, and we really appreciate you joining us.